What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial provides practical steps to grow your presence on BlueSky social media this 2024. With its unique features and community-focused environment, BlueSky offers a great opportunity for users to expand their reach and connect with others. Follow the steps to maximize your engagement and visibility on the platform. My tip for you is to know the algorithm of the social media. Make sure that you know any trends and make a topic out of it. Like for example, mostly in my country, Mobile Legends Bang Bang. As you can see in my post, those are the heroes from Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Or in your country, like for example, the USA, the trend right now is all about Jake Paul versus Mike Tyson. The reason is that those fights are fixed because in reality, Mike Tyson can really beat Jake Paul in a few seconds, since Mike Tyson is more experienced in a boxing ring. It's up to you if you want to take advantage of your country or the whole world to know you by making a trend. The second is that you can ask your relatives or friends for their support on BlueSky. There's nothing wrong with it, but it's up to them if they support you or not. Leave a good impression whether they support you or not. The third is to remain neutral or prepare for consequences. Since BlueSky is also a social media platform, make sure that if you want to post something, think before you click. Growing in BlueSky can't be that easy, but it takes time for them to know your social media. Being neutral can be safe but slow, but in terms of picking sides like what's right or wrong, who's better or etc., that is where preparing for consequences comes in because picking sides can be the result of growing your BlueSky account or can be your downfall. Growing on BlueSky requires a strategic approach to focus on creating a compelling profile, understanding the platform features, consistent content creation, engaging with others, and leveraging analytics. By following the steps, you can effectively increase your presence on BlueSky and build a thriving community around your content. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.